So yesterday the video was from New Photonics and they were doing 4 times 224 gig on a single chip. But how do you test that? Because that was based on 8 times 112 gig SerDes. We are here at the booth of Multilane and they're gonna show us how to test an 8-line 112G SerDes. I'm here with Hani Daou. Hani, thank you very much for being with us. Tell us, how do you make this test?
Absolutely. So this is a demonstration of 800 gig ecosystem maturity. Of course, 800 gig being 8 by 112. We have a partnership in this demo with Delta, who are providing 25T and 51T switches, as well as Xena, who are providing their Freya 800 gig Ethernet tester, and of course all of the Multilane test equipment doing stress testing, injecting jitter and noise into the host SerDes, proving that ports are very mature with a DSP-based active loopback family for port manufacturing, system development, and of course Gaussian noise injection to stress those ASICs even further, thanks to one of these loopback modules as well that has noise coupled into it.
Does the system work with any DSP in the market?
We are actually working with multiple DSP partners so that we have as much silicon diversity as possible for our customers. We have a Marvell module, we have a Broadcom module, and we have a Max Linear module over here, and before you know it, we will have a 4th DSP vendor for our active loopback fleet.
What is the next generation that you think will come after this?
Well, the industry is, I would say, split about what the next move will be. We're talking about 200 gig per lane. We see some DSPs behind closed doors at the show floor, but we are not going to see much momentum there until we have developed host SerDes. So it could be CPO, it could be linear, it could be 200 gig per lane. My bet is we are going to make sure these 51T chips are in service as long as possible with maybe something like OSFP XD, which will take more momentum very soon.
This has been one of the most memorable OFCs because Andy Belsholzheim, the CTO of Arista, made a very strong comment. He said that we actually could remove the DSPs with fast optics and go linear. Where do you stand on that comment?
Well, I am a test equipment vendor. So any ecosystem or any technology which requires more testing, we are going to support. However, if I do like this, I am also a bit of a natural cynic, and I know the closer technology comes to deployment, the more it has to prove to be mature. We are now asking a lot of the host system to provide a perfect signal to ensure a linear module can maintain that link without a DSP. We also need to consider link training. We need to consider link margin. So I think there's momentum, but we're not there just yet.
Hani, thank you very much. Wear it like this, very proudly. Multilane.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Thanks.